Kitchen Trends 2025. What's hot in modern home cooking? The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's evolving into something even more exciting, a tech-savvy, sustainable, and personalized experience hub. From smart gadgets to eco-friendly materials, this year's trends are redefining how we cook, eat, and interact with our kitchens. If you're planning a kitchen upgrade or simply love staying on top of home trends, here's what's making waves. One of the biggest shifts is the rise of AI-powered kitchen assistants. These smart devices go beyond timers and recipes. They learn your cooking habits, suggest meals based on what's in your fridge, and even help you reduce food waste. Voice-controlled ovens, motion-sensitive faucets, and app-connected blenders are now standard features in high-tech kitchens. Convenience and efficiency are no longer luxuries, they're expectations. Sustainability is also driving design choices. Bamboo countertops, recycled glass tiles, and energy-efficient appliances are more than just buzzwords. They're becoming the new normal. Compost systems are now integrated directly into modern cabinetry, and induction cooktops are replacing gas for both energy savings and cleaner air quality. Consumers are demanding kitchens that align with their values, and manufacturers are responding with eco-conscious options that don't compromise on style. Personalization continues to dominate in 2025. Homeowners want kitchens that reflect their lifestyle, whether that means a dedicated coffee station, a pet feeding zone with built-in storage, or a color-changing backsplash that sets the mood. Modular storage systems make organization effortless, and hidden compartments are designed to reduce visual clutter while increasing functionality. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about building a space that adapts to you. Finally, social cooking is making a comeback. With more people valuing connection and shared experiences, kitchens are being designed for gathering. Oversized islands double as dining spaces, and built-in beverage centers keep guests engaged. The open-plan kitchen is no longer just for entertaining. It's a place where stories are shared over simmering pots and fresh ingredients. This year, kitchens aren't just for cooking. They're for living.